This June, global experts and innovators come together, united by one shared mission, expanding scopes and advancing viral safety. Join the conference in Vienna on 22nd and 23rd June 2026. Discover the latest approaches in virus testing, clearance strategies, and risk management, and explore how cutting-edge science and operational experience combine to ensure robust viral safety. Hear from leading voices like Thomas R. Kreil of Takeda, Leonard Cools, Dana Schreffler of Regeneron, Dominic Sauer of Novartis, Hannah Seo of BMS, and Kakoli Banerjee of Millipore Sigma. Take part in the interactive discussions, connect with peers, and explore challenges like AI in viral safety testing and emerging modalities such as CGT. The PDA Virus Conference 2026 awaits.